Hi there, welcome back to my channel. How to change Instagram account username. So to change your Instagram username, simply launch Instagram app. And then tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner, and that opens your Instagram profile page. Here you able to see your current username at the top. Now simply tap on Edit Profile. Whether you use a personal account or a business page, the Edit Profile button is always there. So tap on it, and that opens the Edit Profile page. Now go to the username section, tap on your username. Now delete your current username, and enter the new username that you want. It is going to check if that username is available. If it's available, it's going to allow you to change to that username. Or if username not available, you need to find out unique username. And once you're done, simply tap on Done at the top there. And now you can see my username changed. Now if I back and refresh, the new username will appear. So this is how you can change your Instagram username. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.